workout starts. This tarp is too small, I think. I might have to get another one. We'll get this line out first. A friend of mine made this for the people that I'm working for. He custom, it's all metal for this vase, hand-blown vase. Looks pretty cool. I think I've been showing the tool bench. I just got all this done. I'm gonna put this up. I've got some trim I want to put around it. This is just flooring, like floor paint right here that I use, and it's pretty durable. And I'm gonna build a custom drawer that goes in here. You can pull out for pens and stuff like that. Yeah, that's another project. So in all my years of landscaping, I have 18, 20 years, I have never seen deer eat all the myrtle, which technically that's not the right name, but we just call it myrtle around here. I mean, it's all gone. The green ground cover. I mean, here's the leaves. Here's some. You can see how all the ends have been nibbled on all winter long. There's nothing. I mean, the roots are still here. Maybe that's gonna pop back, but I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. And same with that whole area over there. So I got my piles going, my big pile. Now we tarp it out over into the gully there. So I've got the big piles made with the blower. Now I use a tarp and a rake and tarp it all out over the driveway into the gully. I planted these bulbs last year. I didn't know what they'd look like. And I got to plant these too this year. So I knocked down this big pile pretty good. What I'm going to do now is with the blower consolidate everything into here and clean the driveway up, and then blow those leaves down the hill more. But before I do that, I'll go check out. This is my little spec house I built a few years ago for them. They ordered it for the kids. It's a cool little house. I mean, you could easily insulate something like this or even make it bigger. So we got a little bit of work to do. So we get some separation in here, huh? And a tree hit that and cracked that. I know that. That's pretty cool. The windows are real nice. They're open. It's a cool little house, and they got it all set up for what they do in here. I got a birdhouse to put up, man. I gotta do that soon. So, see outside they have a couple of flower boxes. Just checking to make sure that we're recording still. I might put a window on the back right here to look out this way. Be nice. All right, let's finish up this leaf work. So there we go. I've got everything down into here. I'm gonna let that sit for the weekend because people are coming up, and I have a few other things to do here before I go. So one of my subscribers I know is gonna like this. I get it. Sign. I gotta put this sign up. Hopefully I could do it today. It's all clear coated. We put it out there. The traffic's getting a little heavier on this back road thing. It's time to get out. I brought the table out already. Put this and a few chairs. Ouch. Okay, I gotta move this bridge to this area right here, from this end to that end. We're just gonna check out and see if this little setup's gonna do anything right here. I may have to get another part. See, that's not cool. I'm gonna have to get another attachment. Where would this go? Gotta get another piece.